Everyone, I'm sharing with you and a few things that you can do for gift during the Christmas or anytime. Okay, if you don't celebrate Christmas, you can use this for anytime gift. Okay, and the I don't know what call this bowl place, half bowl and half place thing. It's 5 inches. I'm gonna place this here, and I'm going to trace around. For everyone, I picked 2 for the base of the cup holder, and I'm placing the wrong side together. Okay, so right side facing out and the wrong side facing together, right side up. So whatever color you want to show on the bottom of the cup holder, then face it right here. Okay, and this too, I picked the cat and the red one, that for the top. So I'm gonna place, I fold it in half and iron it. Okay, and I'm going to place around the circle this way, and this half going to do the same. You can pin, you can clip, you can do whatever you feel comfortable to do. And we're going to sew a 1/4 up and in seam allowance. You're gonna sew all around here a 1/4 up and in. Okay, so close the whole thing. Now I'm gonna go and trim a little bit all around. Okay, very easy, everyone can do this. I'm gonna pick that up and trim around. Okay, so everyone, after I sewed around, you topped it about 1/8 of an inch or so. So this is for you to make a lot for your table, if you have guests come in, or even just for yourself to celebrate something. And then you have a champagne glass that you use, put it right in here, and then that is that. So when you set up the table, just put it around the table. Basically it's everyone. That is so cute. You don't need to make like a coaster and put that on. You just do something really different like that, and it's very unique. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna share with you another one that you can make for gift during the holiday, or it can be used any day. Okay, the second item that I share with you here, that I have 2 fabric. The Christmas one, you can change the color if you don't celebrate Christmas. Anything you want, but it have to be 2. So the size of this is 6.5 inches wide by 13.5 inches long. Okay, you're going to face the right side together. You're going to fold both in half, or you can do one, but I just want to do this together like this. Okay, fold it in half. You can just mark the center like that with your nail. You will be able to see the center. Okay, so I'm gonna mark the center. Okay, and then from this side on the bottom, you're going to bring it down to that center, and again just press, don't do anything. See that line? And the top one, you're gonna do exactly the same. Bring it down to the center, also press, This is the best when you do a whole bunch for gift. Very easy for beginner. Okay, and then you mark right there. This is the fabric marker. When you wash it, it'll come off. Okay, or you iron, it will be gone. So now I'm going to mark the straight line. Okay, that straight line, and then on the top here, another line. Okay. Like that. Okay, and sew on this straight line, sew on this straight line. Everyone, after I sew on this straight line, I'm gonna go and iron this first before I inside out. So iron this. Inside out this, so this extra fabric that we flap in, that for extra protection. Okay, I'm going to inside out by open this up, the blue and the Christmas fabric. You're gonna go from one side to the other, and then you go into inside out. You're gonna fold this in half. Make sure you get it right and evenly, okay? Iron on the center. Okay, open this up. So now I have the line in the center right there. I'm gonna fold the one on the right side here. I'm gonna make sure that, let me just zoom it in so you can see. You see this line right here? I'm gonna turn this one, and I make sure this side right here goes straight up on the line that you just fold. Okay, go straight up like that. Iron it. This is super easy. Straight cut and it's done. Okay, now you're going to flip into the other side. When you flip in the other side, you can see on this side right here, that the triangle right here, you're going to make sure you fold this down by holding this tip right here pointy, and then this right here, and then you fold this down. When you fold this down, you can see now the two ends it's even. Iron it. Okay, so now when I have that, isn't that so easy? Everyone can do this. Okay, so now I'm going to flap. This is the blue. I'm gonna bring the Christmas size up. When I bring this up, you can see I have a 1/4 of an inch extra it on top of this. Okay, iron this. Make sure you iron it really well, okay? I'm going to turn into the other side. Turn to the other side. This is the square one, and then we need the blue. This side over. Okay, so when I turn this side over, I have an extra 1/4 of an inch on this side also. Remember, slow, we set the video in slow motion so you can see what I'm doing. But this is super slow already. Now you have the extra right here. You're going to lift this side up, and then you're going to stuck this extra inside. Now it's stuck inside. You're going to clip this while you flipping to this side over to the other side. Remember this side we have an extra too. You can see that we just stuck on this here the other side, stuck this one in this side. I'm not a seamstress. I am not a professional. If I can do it, everybody can. Okay, cut a little hair off there. Isn't that so easy? And let me just clip it on the side, and then I'll show you what it look like. And this is the side. We have the blue and the blue Christmas and Christmas. Go on this side, we have exactly the same. Go down, sew this line, sew this up, and then go here, sew it down, sew it up, go out to here, sew it down, and sew it up. Okay? Everyone, I finished. It's like 4.5 inches. And so you can put the cup right there. Now you have an idea. If you want to go in bigger for the place or the bowl, whatever, go up on the side, okay? And this is it, everyone. Let me show you the back. The back I sew exactly the same. Okay, so back, front, same. So the last one with the third one that I share with you, I have it here, the Christmas fabric, and it's 5 inches. Do a different fabric if you want, okay? So let me just fold in as the triangle. Go 1/4 an inch, or if you're an expert, you don't need to mark. I'm sharing the beginner, okay? So 1/4 an inch, you can eyeball it. Okay, go up like that. Now you're going to sew all this side and this side. Okay, everyone, after I sew on this line and I sew on this line, and I'm going to go trim around. Okay, fold this at the fold. Want to just cut a little bit right here. Okay, so everyone, you make sure that at the pointy underneath here, you don't fill with the cotton ball. You can just fill around here, the whole thing here, and it's about an inch or so. You don't, okay, like this. All right, so let me just show you. We're sewing this bottom thingy up the way we're doing that. So we want to make sure that this thing is curled up and it's nice for us. So go do this, okay? Push this, open it inside, and then fold into two sides in about 1/4 an inch or so, like this, okay? So that way it's staying inside. Now we're going to sew this. You don't need to be like neat about sewing this thing. I'm gonna place in my finger, whatever finger I'm using. I have a choice to pick what finger. I like the, you know, middle finger. So it's right here. It fit me perfectly, so I can put it in like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go and sew these two together. Like this, everyone. How cute is everyone? That is so adorable, and it's easy to make too. So when you're sewing, it's not on your way or anything. It's right here. Easy to put the pin back when you put it, when you take it out. There are 3 items that you can make with the little fabric, and it's good for the Christmas gift, or can be any time gift. Okay, and let me show you. This is the disturbing message the other day. The day that I make the wallet for senior people, and this is the message I got. Read this one. Okay, I just want to let you know that I already blocked this person, and I show her this is my answer to her. Okay, so if you don't like my channel, I don't understand that. You come in here just to make sure that you go into channel that they play music and they point, and also the channel that speak their own language. Maybe you understand that better. That's the message I want to leave it to this person, the narrative people. I delete her, and I also spam her for good. These people like this don't belong to my channel. I just want to make sure you know that. Don't ever come in here and give me any comment like that. It's not gonna hurt me or anything, because I think there's something wrong with you. Alright? Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, make sure you click on the bell notification. Every time I upload a video, you get notified. And I will go to my friend's sandwich shop sometime. I don't know when, but because I supposed to go there and get some sandwich next week for the police station and police department, and then we do that on the Tuesday to donate the food for the police station, and then on the Monday me and my sister bring food for the fire station. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.